Let's see. 3-way to use multiple cursors on PhpStorm or WebStorm. Number 1, only using keyboard. Okay, so to enable multiple cursor, place your cursor where you want, press Ctrl twice and hold it. And then use your arrow keys. You can press Escape key to exit multiple cursor mode. If you press Ctrl twice and not hold, this will happen. Number 2, now, let's do the same thing using mouse. Press and hold Alt and Shift key and click and drag your mouse to get multiple cursors. Again, press and hold Alt and Shift key and click and drag your mouse to get multiple cursors. And last, number 3, getting multiple cursors on random places. To do this, press Alt key and hold, and then click wherever you need cursor. And to exit multiple cursors mode, you can press Escape key. And that's it. Good luck, and good day.